Yeah, no dogs here, only birds like that guy. So that guy's name is JJ, and we were just demonstrating how he can fly silently to sneak up on his prey.
Right.
Yeah.
Hey, nice job on that, JJ. You seem to know a lot about birds.
Yeah.
You might be able to help us. We're actually on this trip to help get Russell his bird badge. But the kid keeps wandering off in search of some non-existent bird named Kevin. I don't know. Anyway, we're supposed to find this place, the Anandapur Avian Sanctuary, but he's got my compass and I cannot make heads or tail feathers out of this map without that.
Okay, well, what did you say your name was again?
Jones! Frankie Jones!
Pleased to meet you, Miss Jones. And it looks like you won't need your compass after all. Yeah, you found the Anandapur Avian Sanctuary all on your own.
I did?
Yeah, there's birds all over the place. They fly through from time to time. Yeah, that guy, he's pretty noisy, huh? So that's Madonna Ibis. Oh, and I can't be rude. My name is Scott. I'd be happy to help Russell earn his bird badge.
Oh, that is swell, Scott. But first things first, we gotta find the little guy.
Come on, Doc. This way, boy. I picked up a trail headed this way. It's leading right to Troop Leader Jones.
Russell! Oh, you're here, and you're safe, and you're safe, and you're here, and you're here, and you are safe. And oh, thank goodness your dog is safe too.
It's not just any dog. He's dog. We found him in South America. And he's trained. Shake, boy.
All right. Very clever.
Speak, boy.
Hi there.
Hello, Doug. Oh, I should have warned you. He's a talking dog.
Yeah, well, that's a new one.
It sure is.
Whoa, Troop Leader Jones. Look at all of those birds.
I like the pretty birdies. Yes, I do.
Oh, Russell, I'd like you to meet Scott.
My name is Russell. Wilderness Explorer Type 54, Sweat Lodge 12.
Hi there. My name is Doug.
Yep, told ya. He's a talker. He'll just talk and talk and talk.
Oh, yes, I can talk. I have just met you, and I love you.
Okay, well, this is getting real awkward. Why don't we just come right over here? Stay. Who's a good dog? You're a good dog. You're a dog. All right, look at the people. Okay, Russell, now that I found you and your dog, what do you say we get you back home safe and sound? To be honest with you, I am not quite sure which way home is. We're a little bit lost, so I'm going to need that compass back.
If you are lost, I am a great tracker. I can find you. Oh, yes, I can, because squirrel!
And there it is. I think I'll just stick with the compass.
We can't go yet. We only just got here. And you promised us a great bird adventure.
But people will be worried about you, Russell. It's my responsibility to get you back home safe and sound.
It's also your responsibility to help me get my bird badge.
Right, I know.
Hey guys, I really think I can help.
With my bird badge?
Well, in my time here, I've learned to interpret the birds' natural behaviors to better understand them. And you can too, Russell.
Yes! Hey, are they wilderness explorers too?
Squirrel! Oh, they are not a squirrel.
Well, they might be wilderness explorers. Are any of you planning on earning wilderness explorers badges today? Raise your hand.
Oh, excellent! That's great.
Then they should know our motto. Oh please, oh please, oh please, can I read it now?
Sure, fine. Just give me back my compass. Oh, yeah. Perfect. All right, everybody, get ready to repeat after Russell. I'm just going to put my trusty compass in this protective pouch. You know, you don't want to scratch the glass. These things are expensive. Take it off, get some better range of motion here, and, okay, I'll just put it right over here for safekeeping. Okay, go ahead, Russell.
Repeat after me. An explorer is a friend to all.
An explorer is a friend to all.
Be it plant or fish or tiny mole.
Be it plant or fish or tiny mole.
The wilderness must be explored.
The wilderness must be explored.
Caw, caw, roar.
Caw, caw, roar.
Caw, caw, roar!
Wonderful job! Give yourselves a hand! Ooh, good time. So can you really help with the kids' bird badge?
Yeah, sure.
Terrific. So how do we begin, Scott?
Well, have any of you ever had a great bird adventure before?
We did with our bird friend Kevin.
Oh, I do miss the bird and Kevin. Yes, I do.
Have any of you seen Kevin? I just know she's nearby.
Wait, you seen Kevin? Okay, looks like a few of our friends share your enthusiasm for imaginary birds. Okay, but what can we see right here and now? You know, in the real world?
You can see all types of things. Do you want to meet more birds that call this place home?
Yeah.
I do! I can't wait to have another bird adventure.
All right, we'll check it out over there.
Ooh, look, now that is a bird.
Look at that, Doug.
That is an interesting bird.
Well, this guy's name is Miles. He's a trumpeter hornbill. They're found in Africa.
We'll just look them up here in my book of all birds. It says here, trumpeter hornbills are designed for extreme flying. They can maneuver and dart in and around trees, catching flying insects, their favorite treat, without losing speed.
That's absolutely right. Hey, but it gave me an idea. Do you guys want to see what it looks like if Miles were to fly up close to the wild? Yeah, okay. Miss Jones, I'm going to need your help, and maybe the help of all the explorers along the aisle here. So if you're on the aisles, go ahead and stand up for me. You're going to become my trees. So you're going to face the explorer across from you and hold up your arms like nice tall branches of the trees. Now we have a forest. Now hold it.
Nice forest.
Like this?
Oh yeah, that's it.
All right, guys. So all you have to do is stay nice and still for me so we can respect our feathered friend. And watch closely because when Miles leaves my hand, he tends to be pretty fast. All right, Miles, your forest is opened up. Looks like they're all ready for you.
Okay.
Look, the forest is that way. It's okay, it's okay. This is the way we get everybody to get their exercise on vacation.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you can feel it in the core, right? All right, Miles, let's try it one more time right through this way. Adam's on the other side. We're going straight through if we could, just to demonstrate how well you can fly. What do you say? Nice job.
Oh, fabulous.
Thanks, guys.
Did you see that boy?
Oh, that was great. Hey, can we get the explorers on this side to create the forest?
Sure.
Oh yeah, just like over there. Stand on up. Step into the aisle and raise your arms like the tall branches of trees coming together. Hey, we have another forest. Now hold it.
Thanks, Miss Jones. This looks great. So you guys stay nice and still for me, because here he comes. Nice job.
Amazing.
Look at that bird.
That was great. Hey, let's give all of our volunteer explorers a hand. Oh yeah, you all made great trees. In fact, you were tree magnets. Get it? You should make trees.
Wow, well, Miles, you did a great job too, buddy. And I don't have any of those flying insects, but I do happen to have a great. Here, have a treat. Yeah, thank you. That looks like a lot of fun. Anybody out here want to try that?
Try. Awesome, you there in the tie-dye shirt. Open up your wings, open up your mouth, fly up here and catch the grape.
Actually, man, they could toss the grape.
Oh, toss it. Interesting.
All right, come on over here, my friend. Let's face all your explorer friends. What's your name? Roar, round of applause for Roar, everyone! All right, buddy, here's the grape. And when we go say go, actually, we're just going to have Russell and Doug count for us. When they get to 3, just toss that grape under your hand straight towards the roof. We'll see if Miles can catch it, okay? All right, Miles, we have a new friend for you to meet. And Russell and Doug, we're ready for you to count.
1, 2, 3.
Nice toss! Great! Volunteer!
Oh, that was awesome. Hey, I guess that explains why there's no more flying grapes in Africa, huh? Because we got it. All right, guys, I'm working.
All right, well, Miles, you did a great job too out here today, buddy. Here's a treat for you for on your journey back home, but we got to get you home. Yeah, you're the same one that you came out of. You got the right idea, but you got to go the rest of the way on your own. Take a left to the light. See you later.
Nice to meet you, Miles. So that was a trumpeter hornbill. Is there another bird?
Yes.
Is it a snipe? I've never even seen one of those. Here, snipe. Here, snipe.
Well, this guy's not a snipe, but he's pretty cool.
Oh, guys, look over here.
Find the birdie. Find the birdie. Point.
Wow, he has a big beak, just like Kevin.
Well, you know, this guy's a ground hornbill from Africa.
Oh, Africa. Ground hornbills are amazing birds. Says here they get their name because they feed on the ground with that big beak.
Which they can use with the force of a large sledgehammer.
Hey, Troop Leader Jones?
Yeah.
Which way is Africa?
Africa is... Actually, it might be... you know what? Let's just use the compass, Russell. I put it right over... Oh, what is he doing to my bag?
Oh, come on, everybody. No. You come this way. Sorry about that.
Oh, no. The compass?
The Wilderness Explorer compass.
Oh, let me check.
That's a compass.
It was a compass.
Oh, he is an angry birdie.
No, Doug, that's a natural behavior for them to smash their food like that in the wild.
Yeah, crushing your spirit is just a side effect.
Oops. I think he might have scratched the glass.
Okay, look, I am really sorry about that. Not all birds act wild. There are a lot of birds that live around people too. So, for instance, here we have a lot of birds that fly in, like macaws that you see earlier. We actually see things like grackles, these little blackbirds, and gamefowl. They're pretty fast too. We also see cardinals from time to time. These little birds called ibis. They're the white birds with red beaks. Hang on to your hot dogs around them. They try to take them from time to time. We also have other things like, what are you guys pointing at over there? You guys see something? Oh yeah, chickens. They're definitely here too.
Chickens.
Oh, chicken birdies. Oh, come here, you chicken birdies. Come here. Come back, chicken birdies. Oh,
We'll be right back. Doug, come back, boy.
Oh, come on, don't run off again! They're in for more than they can handle. Chickens are fast and pretty smart, aren't they?
Yeah, surprisingly.
I bet there's a bunch of smart birds. And some that are smarter than talking dogs!
Like parrots.
Oh, parrots!
Yeah, but they make some of the most challenging animals you'd ever find in your home.
They can bite.
Scream.
Ah! Oh, you meant the birds?
Yeah.
That is awkward, alright. And they poop everywhere. Why would they put that in the book?
Alright, let's just say they're not the greatest roommates.
Very true. It says here some of these birds are so smart that they can mimic what they hear from the world around them.
Yeah, that's true. You want to meet one?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, awesome. Well, coming out here with Lisa, we have Keto. And Keto's a double yellow-headed Amazon parrot, which is pretty cool to say the least. Thank you so much, Lisa. Now, Keto, we have a bunch of new nature explorers that are out here today. And first things first, we should probably have a bit of an introduction. So let's try that out. How about a great, big greeting? Well, you got the greeting part right, I guess. So I tell you what, parrots like him, they learn to mimic the sounds in their environment. So when they live in the wild, that's going to be the sounds of their flock mates. But when they live around people, they can sound a lot more like talking and maybe some other sounds they hear along the way. Some of Keto's favorites tend to be animal sounds, so we'll try those out. Like a big, scary tiger. Ferocious.
I don't know, that seems a little scary. Do we know anything tamer?
Sure, you could probably do a smaller version of a tiger. We call those a kitty cat.
Yeah.
They're very nice, very nice. Not sure a bird should be sounding like a cat. Doesn't seem like the safest thing in the world. So maybe we'll get them sounding like a bird again. And there's a really unique call from a bird in Australia. We can see if we'll try that one out for us today. It's called a kookaburra. Yeah, it sounds kind of like that, absolutely. So Keto here likes animals a lot, so we thought to ourselves, how cool would it be to teach Keto to sing an entire song about animals to match up with those awesome dance moves there? Do you guys want to see if we'll try a song for us today? Yeah, okay. Keto, they're ready for you, buddy. You ready? Let's sing.
Oh, MacDonald had a farm.
There we go! Yeah, thank you so much. Now, my favorite part about that song is that it's different every single time Keto sings it. Yeah, it makes it fun for all of us. And he actually learned how to mimic all of you that come into these shows. So we can try something else out and see if he'll mimic you. So let's try that applause and let's see what happens. Yeah, he's pretty excited about that. Keto, you are too cute for words, my friend, but we have some more of your friends to meet, so I think it's time you tell these folks goodbye. And that's Keto.
Wow, Scott, Keto really is one in a million.
He sure is. And he does look like a lot of fun up here, but remember I said they're challenging to have in your home?
Yeah.
Well, imagine a parrot that size living 50 years or longer.
Oh, you're joking.
No.
Hey, I guess that's why they say with parrots, the sky's the limit. You get it? Because they fly.
Okay, we'll go with it.
Look at that. Hi.
It's a guinea.
Oh, chicken birdies, be my friend. Oh, please be my friend. Whew. I am back now from tracking chickens.
Did you have fun chasing the chickens?
Oh, yes, they were fast.
But not as fast as Kevin. She could outrun them.
Oh, really?
Oh, yes, that bird Kevin is much faster.
And she was bigger, like a dinosaur. But we were never scared. Not once.
Oh, no?
Oh, no, we were not scared. Not at all.
Because we're brave explorers. Nothing scares us. Right, boy?
Gesundheit. You know, I'm proud of you boys. Not afraid of anything.
Terrific. I think you guys are really gonna love our next bird.
Ah, a dinosaur!
Scary birdie! Scary birdie!
Wait, they're not scary, just big. Right, Scott?
Guys, there's nothing to be afraid of. This is the Andean condor. His name is Ozzy.
That's a big birdie.
Well, he is one of the largest members of the vulture family. Look at his wingspan. It's about 10 feet across.
Whoa!
That's right, Russell. But no need to worry. It says here vultures come in all sizes.
That's true, and I hope you guys are ready for a closer look. Well, vultures can be found all across this planet, but the important thing to remember is they all share a role in the circle of life, and it has to do with what they eat.
They eat carrion.
Yep.
Ew.
Yeah, that's the rotting carcasses of animals that die in the wild. So what happens is a condor like Ozzy comes along and he cleans up the mess, and that stops the spread of disease.
So, in a way, you can call condors nature's recyclers.
Yeah, that's really well said, Russell. And if we all recycle more like Ozzy here, I'm pretty sure the world would be a lot cleaner of a place, right, buddy? Okay, he does something pretty cute that I think we want to show off today. We'll see if he wants to do it. It's called the condor trot. What do you say, buddy? Oh, tuck the wings. That was Ozzy.
Gesundheit.
Well, look at that. We have a lot of cool birds that fly in through here. That guy up there is a crown crane. His name is Fraser. Yeah, Fraser Crane.
Really? Fraser Crane? And I thought I was the one with the bad jokes.
Hey, Doug, do you want to say hi?
Hi there! I would like to meet you!
Nope. See a lot of that in your future, Doug. Crown crane is the national bird of Uganda, where they're practically royalty with their tall gold crowns. I know, right? Can't you just imagine them flying over the plains?
Pretty birdie, so pretty.
This guy really is beautiful, Doug, and maybe he'll come down here so everybody can take a closer look. But watch out for his landing gear. It tends to hang on the low side. Yeah, that's the part of the show in 3D. Do any of you guys want to be crazier?
I do!
All right, Russell, come on down. I have some of his favorite treats right here for you. I can give those to you and see if we'll make you a brand new friend.
Oh, wow!
Russell, you've got him literally eating out of your hand.
He really goes gaga for bird seed.
Yep.
When my hair sticks up like that, my mom makes me brush it.
Okay, that is pretty funny, Russell, but look closely at the top of that crown. Now, it might look like hairs, but all of those are feathers. So the top of his crown and even his beautiful eyelashes are feathers too. And the ones on top stick up towards the sky because they're shaped like tiny corkscrews. What that does, it helps them to blend into the grasslands of Africa. So a wonderful form of camouflage. We'll let you head off on your way, buddy. I'm sure you're finding all the tasty treats out there too. And that was Fraser Crane.
Oh, that's a very friendly bird.
I'm glad you liked him, Doug. Now up next, we have my favorite bird. Quite possibly my favorite animal of all time.
Look,
A
guys.
symbol of pride for the United States of America, the bald eagle. Thank you, everyone. Meet Hope.
A bald birdie?
Well, Doug, bald eagles aren't actually bald.
How majestic.
And inspiring. You know, it wasn't long ago, bald eagles, just like Hope, were placed on the endangered species list. Then through conservation efforts, all of us played a part, helping their populations to recover. Well, I am happy to say the bald eagle is no longer an endangered species.
Wow, that shows a lot of determination. It also shows that we can really make a difference.
That is exactly right, Russell. And if we all make a conscious effort to protect this planet and all the creatures we share it with, we can all make a huge difference.
Thank you, Hope.
Oh boy, this really has been a great bird adventure.
Well, Russell, did you know there are thousands and thousands of bird species all over the world? We don't even have to go that far to find them either. See, birds can be found in local parks back home and even your own backyards.
You know, I learned something too. Whether it's an eagle or an owl or a brown hornbill, each bird has their own incredible story. And discovering their story is just the beginning of your adventure.
Hey, look in the window, Russell. It's Oko Toucan.
That's a cool bird.
Look at this Tarako. He's so cute. It's a Livingston's Tarako.
Oh, heads up! Looks like you've got a new friend, Russell.
They like me. They really like me.
Russell, you have truly had a great bird adventure. And so, I hereby decree that you and Doug, I guess, have earned your official Wilderness Explorer bird badge. Hey, everybody! Russell got his bird badge!
Gee, thanks, Troop Leader Jones.
No, you earned it, Russell.
Troop Leader Jones, I think you're the best troop leader ever.
You are my favorite leader of troops.
Thanks, guys. But what about Scott? We could not have done it without him, huh?
Thank you. Thank you. It was my pleasure. I'm glad you got to meet all of our feathered friends here today.
Treasure the wilderness and the creatures that are around you. The wilderness must be explored.
That's right, Russell. Look.
Wow!
Now we have got to get you home. Let's go. Guys.
See you later, wilderness explorers.
All right, guys, this way.
Oh, chicken birdies again! Oh, I love chicken birdies! Come here! Oh, come here! Be my friend! Be my friend! I love chicken birdies! I love them!
All right, bye, everyone. Oh, I'm going to tell my mother a second time.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for stopping by the Anandapur Avian Sanctuary. Please come to the front of the stage and chat with our caretakers. Ask us any questions, but most importantly, enjoy the rest of your day with us here at Anandapur. Bye, everyone!